My name is Alan Hart, and today I'm going to show you how to top up the pressure on a Baxi E118 Combi boiler. So if your pressure gauge is down on 0 and your display is flashing E118, we'll zoom in, I'll show you that now. I've just turned the light off so we can see the front display. So we can see on the front display it's flashing E118, and if you've got that fault code, I'm going to show you how to top up the pressure. So E118 means low water pressure. To top up the pressure on the Baxi E118, it has a quick fill system like this, and it's just a lever that you pull down. I'll show you now underneath the boiler. If we look underneath the boiler on the Baxi E118 Combi boiler, we can see on the right hand side is the quick fill system or the easy fill system, and all you need to do if you want to top the pressure up is just pull down this little lever here, and as you pull this lever down you will hear the pressure go up, and as the pressure goes up, I'll just show you on the front of the boiler. So now we're just above the 1 bar, and that's about where we want it to be. And if we have a look on the front display now, we can see that it's gone off. The E118 code, fault code, has gone off. So all you're going to do is go underneath your boiler and pull this flap down, or pull this lever down, and that will top the pressure back up for you on your Baxi E118 Combi boiler. So that's how you would top the pressure up and get your boiler back working again. So that's getting your Baxi E118 Combi boiler working again. And just to explain what you're trying to do, or what you're doing, you've got your cold water inlet here, and that's coming in. You're opening that valve at the bottom, and that's allowing cold water to go into the central heating. Now, it may be if you're continually having to do that, so if you're going to have to do that every day, then you may need to check your central heating system just to make sure that you've got no leaks. I hope this video was of some use, and thank you for watching.